kasi ang nagtatag ng Philippine Heart Center. Our commitment to world-class cardiac care and surgery has been long-standing. My family's been very committed to the establishment of specialist hospitals. Naalala ko pa, napakabongga ng kanyang pagbukas because all world's best came over, and everyone from Texas as well as South Africa, all the big stars in cardiology came over.
I would never be okay, so I always tell my Mom, would I be okay? And my mom said, don't think the negative, think all positive, because you could do everything. I'm really thankful for everything, and I'm really thankful. Now I could do anything like a normal kid. School po ako, bumabasa at sumasulat. Pasalamat po ako si Doktor. Tumalong po sa akin. Ako po gumaling sa sakit ko.
Sama pagka ang sana kahit papano makatulong, ito bibigay natin sa 1,200 na beneficiaries, a total of 6 million pesos sa Limbana Perez.
Hi, Senator Amy. Maraming salamat po sa pagbisita sa bayan ng Libmanan, at maraming salamat po sa tulong na ibinigay niyo po sa aking mga kababayan. Sa ngalan po ng bayan ng Libmanan, maraming salamat po, Senator Amy.